Yeah, so guys, we're picking up the trailer. Guy's giving us a personal escort on his bike. Sick. There's the trailer. We are getting ready for Dragweek. It's September 6th, Friday. Yeah, so guys, we're picking up the trailer. Guy's giving us a personal escort on his bike. Sick. There's the trailer. We are getting ready for Dragweek. It's September 6th, Friday. It rained here like crazy. We're in the Northeast, New England area. And it's sick. So, anyway, yep, he's telling us to turn around. Oh, no, there it is. That's the one. All right, nice. Yeah, so anyway, we got the trailer. Typical for us. Yeah, so the brake light and the tail light just doesn't work. So, all right, very good. We're back. We're going. We got a cool roadside on this one.
Watch yourself when you're going through the
Oh, which way should we go? Left or right?
You go either way.
Oh, it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
And then we'll come out either that way or that way.
Into the second building, then you make a, well, if you go left, you make 3 lefts, and then a right.
Okay.
And you're facing the gate.
Alrighty.
Okay, just watch yourself going through the puddle. There's a bunch of holes in it.
Okay.
Go slow.
Thank you. Alright, so we just had an annoying phone call from U-Haul. It was terrible. So we just went to this place here, and we're going to see if we can get it fixed. Now, last minute. It's almost 6 o'clock, and we got to leave. All right, guys. So we're packing up. I mean, the sky's over here. Not nearly as bad as everybody else has been getting it, but we're getting some wind. Again, like I said, we're up New York area. So, but we're getting, oh yeah, we're getting the trailer fixed. So they sent out roadside, and they're gonna fix it. I think it's a broken wire. All right, so U-Haul finally sent roadside out, so he's checking this thing out now. There's a break in the wire somewhere. See, the taillights are working, but it stops here, and it's not working all the way down here. So, you found it? We just pulled out of the butt connector?
Now I just have to find
the
out.
harness?
It is behind here somewhere. Now I have to figure out where it's broken off, so I just pulled on that one wire. I said,
and it popped out
Yeah,
like
look,
that?
it's corroded.
Oh yeah, it's corroded. It's been like that for a long time.
Yep. So whoever had this trailer before never told them about it.
No, they probably didn't even know. No. The person who had the trailer.
Knew about it.
You think so?
Okay, so never ends. It's like 8 o'clock here, and we're still not packed. We don't even have the car in the trailer yet, which is probably not happening until tomorrow anyway.
Which is fine. We're good. We're good for time.
Yeah, I know we're good. All right, so this guy that U-Haul sent, he's an independent, really nice guy. Gets paid by the hour from when he leaves his house to when he comes here. So let's see. Yeah. Man, they don't play games with this stuff. No. I mean, it's good. I mean, you know it's built well. Dragweek. Yeah, this is how it's going to be.
Dude, listen.
Yeah.
We haven't even started Dragweek yet.
Yeah, and we're already doing road repairs.
Racing? Yeah.
Yeah.
And we're on the side of the road.
Yeah, we didn't even load the car on the trailer yet. We broke down.
You have a car and a trailer.
Yep. This is a disaster. So not only did we have bad wiring over here, And we had this connector with the pin pulled out, but that didn't fix it. There's something wrong with this LED. So now we're putting in conventional light over here. And that's how it's working so far. So, what time is it, Phil? Gotta be close to 10.
It's no.
No?
It's 8:30.
Oh, 8:30. I'm in a different time zone. Dragweek. Looks like it's working. Yep, we got light. We got the old style push-in bulb. Yep.
Turn your turn signals on. Turn right turn.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, all right.
Step on the brake.
Step on a brake. Yep.
Yep.
We're good. We're good.
Just one light on.
Let's see if we can get that light on. Maybe it's probably just a bulb. I saw it flicker before it actually died out. All right, so we're ready. So we're gonna head out to the store later. I gotta get some deodorant and stuff. So
Oh, you saw it flicker?